Hello and welcome. We will be discussing factors to consider when designing fish tank culture environment in recirculating aquaculture system, or RAS. When designing RAS, several factors must be considered to ensure optimal fish growth, health, and survival. These factors fall into four key categories. 1. Biotic and abiotic factors. 2. Tolerance limit. 3. Social factors. 4. Species-specific factors. Let's break this down. Biotic factors. Biotic factors are the living components that influence fish development. Key biotic factors include organic matter in water, bacterial composition and numbers, viruses, and algae. Understanding these factors is essential for maintaining a healthy culture environment. Abiotic factors. Abiotic factors are the non-living physical and chemical components that affect fish growth and tolerance in RAS. These include temperature, salinity, light levels, pH balance, oxygen saturation, water current, CO2 levels, ammonia, nitrite, and total gas saturation, radius potential, and particle presence. Most of these are considered water quality parameters except for light and water current. Now let us look at what tolerance limit and optimal ranges for the factors we highlighted. Looking at the graphic on our screen, you can see the range for optimum operation is the area where the fish or the aquatic organism has their greatest performance of efficiency for growth, health, and survival. And outside of the optimum range is where physiological stress and intolerance begins, leading to high mortality. Every fish species has a tolerance range for different environmental factors. These ranges can be categorized into 4 levels as 1. Optimum level. It is the ideal conditions for growth and survival. 2. Tolerable level. It is the condition that the fish can withstand or handle in a culture settings. 3. Conditional level. It is the conditions that may be manageable if other factors are favorable. 4. Unacceptable levels. These are conditions that lead to increased mortality. Ensuring fish remain within their optimal range is crucial for their well-being. When designing RAS, the social factors of the aquatic animal should be considered. Social behaviors also play a role in RAS design. Important considerations include 1. Fish density. Here you find out if the fish or the species prefer to school or stay isolated. 2. Feeding behavior. What are their feeding preferences and frequency? 3. Water velocity. Are they strong swimmers and how much current can they handle? 4. Size differences and grading. Here you plan your grading by understanding if the fish exhibit cannibalism at different growth stages. 5. Tank or system cohabitation. Here you find out if the aquatic animal can cohabitate with other species in a shared system. Understanding these factors help to create a more conducive environment for the aquatic organism to facilitate their growth and survival. Species-specific factors. Some fish species have unique environmental needs, including swim bladder development, light and darkness preferences, bottom dwelling behavior, constant swimming habits, surface attachment needs, and hiding spaces for cover. Each species required tailored conditions to survive within RAS setup. In summary, by carefully considering biotic and abiotic factors, tolerance limits, social behavior, and species-specific needs, we can design an effective and conducive recirculating aquaculture system that promotes fish health and productivity. Thank you for your time, and I hope this information helps your RAS journey. Bye for now.